CPLinQ PRO for heavy truck and bus is powerful but simple to use. The Info Hub maintains data specific to your sites, your vehicles, and authorized users. Job instructions are sent automatically to the tool based on the selection of vehicle and the job to be done. Operator instructions follow your processes, and automation reduces manual input and the risk of errors. Live job data is displayed on the tool and the mobile device, and it is sent back to the Info Hub for detailed wheel tightening traceability. The multi-site, multi-user structure maintains its traceability across your service shop network, including roadside service and even third parties. CPLinQ PRO and eBlueTork for improved safety in the shop and on the road.